So a lot of people ask with this type of research, what's so fascinating about the topic of social support? Well, social support, it's exactly like it sounds. It's the perception or the actuality that one feels loved and cared for, that they have real tangible support from others, and that you're part of a larger network. You have supportive others in your environment that provide you with this love and this care and this support. And it's a really fascinating topic because of some broader research that's been done in the health psychology literature. And what's been found is that social support is a fairly significant predictor of mortality. And it sounds sort of amazing, but it's a stronger predictor of how long you'll live, and it's stronger than whether you're a heavy drinker, whether you have obesity, whether you have physical inactivity. And it's really stunning. It sort of turned the health psychology world on its head, that the love and support that you get from others is such a strong predictor for mortality. And so that led us to a question to think, well, what role does social support have with respect to hearing loss and the provision of hearing aids? So we did a literature review, and social support is quite important in a number of different ways. It's as simple as your partner can encourage you to seek out help. They can motivate you to get to that appointment, to have your hearing tested, and possibly seek out rehabilitation. They can also act to really advocate for the use of hearing instruments. And that speaks, significant others are often our cheerleaders. They're the ones that encourage us, that motivate us, that keep us going when our motivation starts to dip. There's also other research that suggests that significant others really decrease the psychological distress that often accompanies hearing loss. And then that led us to our research that really tried to link social support and what role it has with respect to hearing instruments. So we've now run a couple of different studies to look at what's associated with hearing aid satisfaction. And we were actually pretty surprised by the results. And we found that the best predictor of hearing aid satisfaction is whether or not a person has social support. And we were asking fairly basic questions. Do you feel like you get love and attention? Do people take care of you when you're sick? And for those individuals that have that social support, those are the ones that had more success with hearing aids. And that was a really stunning finding for us. I guess the last thing that people ask is, well, what's on the horizon? Well, we really want to try to understand the mechanics of why that is. Is it the emotional support that they're providing? Is it the instrumental support, such as that ride to and from the medical appointment? Is it maybe the informational support that a person is providing? Is it the advice and the suggestions for how to care and operate your hearing aid? So we really want to understand what exactly it is about the magic of having someone in your life that helps you with hearing aids.